People often want to take their old black and white photos and turn them to color. When you see old pictures in color, they are more vivid and give you a better idea of the surroundings in the picture. This photo restoration software makes it simple to turn black and white photos into color with a quick click of a button. The photo retoucher is intuitive and coloring old photos has never been easier. You can simply upload your old black and white pictures and look at the results. It was an automatic mode. Now let's see how to work in manual mode for coloring photos. Also, if you don't like the result of automatic coloring, you can always improve the result in manual mode. Let's look at a couple more examples. The SoftOrbits photo retoucher has a lot of functions that can improve your photos. Download the program from our website SoftOrbits.net.